Hello guys, welcome back to HTML5 for beginners. In this course, I will teach you step by step usage of HTML5. I will teach you everything as you want. So before working on practically, we need to know the basic knowledge of HTML5. So let's get started. First of all, we need to know what is HTML5. HTML5 is the latest version of HTML. HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. HTML used to make web pages and also layout. HTML is a static language, right? Let's talk about the HTML tags. HTML tags are like keywords which defines that how web browsers will format and display the content. HTML tags contain three main parts. The first one is the opening tag, second one is a closing tag, and third one is unclosed tag. Basically this is a starting tag and this is a closing tag. Inside starting and closing tag have a content. You can write anything inside there, then the browser will automatically understand this content will appear this way, right? I will teach you practically on later. This time you just need to know what is tags, and some tags you don't need to close them. This is a called single tags like HR tag, BR tag, image tag, and also many other tags. When a web browser reads an HTML document, browser reads it from top to bottom and left to right. Means when you run the HTML file, then browser will read them top to bottom, left to right, right? HTML tags are used to create HTML documents and render their properties. Each HTML tags have a different properties. I will teach you on later the HTML tags, content, attribute, and many other things. All HTML tags have a must closed within the less than and greater than sign. These are brackets. Inside there you must be write the tag name like a paragraph tag, HR tag, many other tags, right? Every tag in HTML perform different tasks. Means you will write the paragraph tag, then the browser will display the normal text. If you write the H1 tag, then browser will display the strong or large tags. I will teach you on later, right? If you have used a opening tag, then you must be use a closing tag like this one. This is a starting tag and this is a closing tag. Let me explain you all about the practically on my whiteboard. So I have written the paragraph tag and inside there have a content, and this is a closing tag. For example, I'm going to show you. This is my starting tag, this is my starting tag, right? And this is my content. And this is my closing tag. Right? This is a starting tag and this is a closing tag. Inside the starting and closing tag, inside there have a content like this one. You can write anything as you want, right? Now another thing is on there have a, I'm gonna show you in a minute. I'm gonna show you just a minute. I write text and inside there have some another things is This is the ID. For example, this is you just need to know. I will work on that on practically on later. This time you just need to know what is the tags and what is the attribute and how does work it, right? So I'm gonna use the ID is container, right? So I'll use this way on there. So let me explain you all about the just a minute. I select the pen. This is my starting tag, right? And this is a basically attribute. I just use ATTR, right? This is a call. ID call is the attribute of the paragraph tag, right? And this is the value of the attribute, right? And this is our normal content, and this is our closing tag, right? So this is a very simple way to use the HTML tags and also attribute to make a web pages. I'll teach you on later how you can make a pages, how you can write the code like HTML5 code, and also I will teach you how you can make a project with the help of HTML5 and also CSS3. I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we're gonna discuss all about tools or code editors that are required to write the codes. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the code editor with the name of Visual Studio Code. I personally use Visual Studio Code, but I'm gonna show you more than 3 code editors. And more than 3 code editors, and also those are free code editors, you don't need to pay them. So first one is a Visual Studio Code, second one is a Bracket, third one is a Sublime, and fourth one is a Notepad++. I personally use Visual Studio Code, and I also installed this one code editor on my PC, but I'm going to show you how you can download and install them. So I go to my browser. Inside there, first we're gonna discuss all about the Visual Studio Code. You just need to write the Visual Studio Code inside your search box or inside the search engine. Once you said that, then you need to open the first one link. Inside there have a download button. I have been using Windows and I'm able to see a download for Windows setup. But I also basically I installed that on my PC. I don't need to download and install that. I just show you how you can download that. The installation process is very simple. You just need to download that and click to next. The installation will be complete after a few seconds. Now let's look at that another code editor like Sublime. You just need to write a Sublime code editor inside search engine. Then you need to open the first one link. Inside there have 2 features like a dark code editor or light code editor, which you want to install or download on your personal computer. In the right side have a personally selected the Windows, but do you have another operating system like Mac, Linux? You can select anyone as you want. You just need to download that and install that on very simple way. Now the third one is the brackets. You just need to write the brackets and open the first one link, and this is another code editor that help you to write the code. Now the final one is a Notepad++. I just use Notepad++ inside the search engine, and then you need to open the first one link. Inside there have a latest version of Notepad++ is a version 8.2. So which code editor you want to install as you like, but I personally use Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna show you the code editor, and also I have installed a few extensions that help us to manage the code. Let me explain you the first. This is a default look of code editor, and I'm going to show you the extension. You don't need to focus on debugger for Firefox. You just need to focus on my extension that help you to manage your code or write the code faster. So the first one is the HTML snaps, and this extension will help us to write the complete HTML structure without writing the complete structure. I will teach you usage of this extension on later. Now the second one is a live server. This extension help you to display the text or anything else on the browser without refreshing a page. And now the third one is a prettier. This extension will help us to manage your code or display the prettier code on your code editor. I will show you the live example of each extension on later. And the last one is a VS Code icons. This extension will help you to display the colorful icons on your project. So I hope you are understood as well all about the code editors, and I'm going to show you the folder. I have made the folder inside my desktop, HTML5. So first of all, I just drag and drop the folder inside my code editor. I already add this one, so I don't need to add that. So let's create a file inside the folder. Which file? HTML base file. So I'm gonna use one basic.html. Once you assign the extension, then the icon will change, as you can see. But I change the extension like CSS3. This is a CSS3 icon, right? But we're gonna learn HTML, so I just use HTML. Hit enter. So our document is all about HTML base. Let me teach you the usage of live server extension. First of all, you need to make a file and assign the extension .html. Inside the browser, you need to right click it and open with live server. Then the browser, I'm going to close other tabs. The browser will automatically open your particular file, and then I rearrange my code editor, and I'm going to show you the usage of live extension. For example, I'm going to use paragraph tag and closing tag. This is normal text. When I save this code, and just a minute, I remove that. I think I need to open that again because we are facing problem. Live reload not possible without body or head tag. Okay, so we have just write the simple tag, but we're gonna understand the basic syntax of HTML, and then I'm gonna show you the usage of live extension, right? So before working on basic syntax of HTML5, we need to know doc type. So I'm gonna use doc type HTML. Once you said that, then you need to open you need to open the HTML doc type declaration. Basically, doc type is an extension, and this is a call extension. This is a HTML5 extension. Without this doc type, the HTML file is not supported, right? So here is a Definition: all HTML document must start with a doc type declaration. The declaration is not an HTML tag, it is an information to the browser about what document type to expect. In HTML5, the declaration is simple, like this one. You must be write the less than exclamatory sign doc type HTML, and browser supports doc type, like browser is Chrome, Internet Explorer or Edge, Firefox, Safari, Opera. Now older HTML documents, in older documents HTML4 or XHTML, the declaration is more complicated because the declaration must refer to a DDT, document type definition. Here is the extension. If you are using HTML 4.1 or XHTML 1.0, you must be write this one code or this one code. But if you want to use HTML5, you just need to write this code. I'm going to show you the practically how you can write the code. So this is very simple. Let's jump on the code editor and rearrange that. So for example, you want to write the basic syntax of HTML5. You need to write exclamatory less than sign, exclamatory sign, write the doc type in the large size, and write the HTML. Right, this is the document all about HTML5 document. Then you need to write the complete basic structure of the HTML5. So let's write the basic syntax of HTML. I'm going to use HTML and press tab, closing tag, then after closing the starting tag, then the closing tag will automatically appear. This is a help us the code editor. You don't need to close the tag because the code editor will automatically close your code. So I hit enter, and then I'm going to use head tag, press tab. This is my closing tag has been appeared. I press enter, and I'm going to use title tag. Inside the title tag, I'm going to display anything else top of the browser, like this one. Here is a new tab, but I'm going to display my site, and I'm going to save that. Then I right click it. But one more thing we need to do, we need to use body tag. After the head tag, we need to use body tag and save that. Let's check out the live server usage. I'm going to right click it and open with live server, and as you can see, top of the browser have a my site title has been appeared. If I write anything else inside the body tag, then the text will appear inside the browser. Let's see. I use paragraph tag and press tab, and I'm going to use this is my site. Save that, and the text has been appeared inside my browser without refreshing a page. Let's see, this code will appear inside my browser. Yes, behind the code, behind the browser have our same code like this one, but this I'm going to show you. I go to view page source, and as you can see, doc type HTML5. This is a HTML5 document, and this is my basic structure of HTML, like HTML, head tag, title tag, head tag, body tag, and this is my paragraph tag, and this is a script tag, but don't focus on that because this is a extension code, right? So I'm going to show you. I go to my desktop, and then I'm going to open my file basic.html, right? This is a normal file, and as you can see, my address This is my live server file. I'm gonna close live server file. This is my normal file. Right click it and go to view page source. As you can see, this is my normal and same code has been appeared inside my code editor, like doc type, HTML head tag, head close, body tag, body close tag, paragraph tag, HTML close tag, right? So this is a very simple way to write the basic syntax of HTML5. I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about the basic syntax of HTML5. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can generate the basic structure of HTML5 within a second, and how you can write the comment, and also I'm going to show you how you can open the file without live server. So let's create a file. So I'm going to use basic one. No, I'm going to use a comment .html. So this is our second file. I close that and I'm going to save this first one file. For example, I want to write the complete code within a second, so you just need to write the exclamatory sign, just a minute, and hit enter. Then you are able to see the complete code has been appeared inside my code editor. But you are able to see more than 1, 2, 3 tags has been appeared, and also I'm able to see the HTML, and this is a call attribute. I already told you all about the attribute, and this is a value. This is the attribute name is a language, and this is a sign of the value English. This is not important, but you will write the complete structure of the HTML file, then you will able to see same thing like this one. Now the next one is a meta. This is a single tag. This tag will help us to assign the attribute and value. We will discuss that on later. This time you just need to know how you can generate the basic structure of HTML5, and also I'm going to show you the comment. Now this chart sheet is if you hover the mouse on the any of the attribute, then you will able to see the complete detail on each attribute. So this is a chart set attribute, and this is the value of UTF-8. Now the second one is a HTTP keyword. This is the capability of the particular browser. Sometimes browser not supported on any page, then you must be write the particular browser name like IEH. You must be write this one tag inside the meta tag, and you must be write the content and also value like this one, IE equal to H. Means this page will support the Internet Explorer and also Edge. Now the third one is a meta viewport. This is a very important for create a responsive website, but you don't need to write that on this time. You just need to focus on basic structure, right? So let's explain you comment. For example, I'm going to write the comment. What is comment? For example, I write the paragraph tag, and I'm going to use this is my site. First I'm going to show you how you can open manually file. So I made this one folder on my desktop. I go to my desktop and we just need to double click on that. Once you double click on that, then you're able to see my title has been appeared on the top of the browser and my content has been appeared. This is my site, right? This is a very simple way to open the manually file. Now the next way you can open that with the help of live server. So I'm going to close this one also, and I'm going to show you, but you must be installed the extension with the name of live server. So how you can install live server extension? You just need to search the extension with the name of live server on there, and just click on that and just install that. I already installed that, I don't need to install it, right? So I'm gonna right click it. First I'm gonna close this one, right click it and click to open with live server, and I'm able to see same thing. But another thing is, for example, I want to remove the live server, so we just click on this one icon, port 5500, and we are able to disconnect the live server. I'm gonna refresh that. I can't see anything else on my browser, right? But I want to open this one again. I just go to go live, and as you can see. So I hope you understood as well all about how you can open manually file and how you can display the complete basic structure of HTML5. Let's talk about the comment. For example, I want to write the comment inside my page. Comment not display on your browser, it display on your code editor. For example, you have a team and you have written a bunch of code, so you will write the comment on each section, then another developer or another designer will understand this code is all about this way. For example, I write the comment. First you need to understand how you can write the comment. So you need to write less than sign, exclamatory sign, hyphen, hyphen, and then the Visual Studio Code automatically display the comment. Inside there, this is a basically green area. Inside this one section you can write the comment. For example, this is my paragraph tag. You need to save that. Then you need to open the view page source, then you are able to see the comment has been appeared behind the code, behind the browser. You can't see the comment front of the browser, because this is a help us for developer or coder. It is very important, very important to write the comment. So let me explain you how you can write the single comment. This is a called single comment, and how you can use multiple comment. For example, I copy that, paste, save. I have written more than 5 tags inside my code editor. I want to comment single comment, like I want to remove this one. So I just select that and press Ctrl and question mark. Then this code has been committed. So I'm going to save that, and as you can see, my last text has been removed from the code edit from the browser. For example, I want to comment all my code, so all my paragraph code, I just select that and press Ctrl question mark. This is a call multiple comment. I'm gonna show you. This is a call multiple comment. This is a call single comment. So you need to save that. You can't see anything else inside the browser, but this comment is a help with another developer or another designer. So if you will create a large size of website or large size of any project, you must be write the comment, and then you will provide the project with client or another designer or friend, then who will able to see your comment. After the comment, who will able to see your code, and who will able to manage your code very fast. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about the comment. So in this video we're gonna discuss all about the meta tags. So meta tag is very important for SEO purpose. For example, this site or this page is all about comment. How you can optimize that for SEO purpose? How you can tell the Google robots this page is all about the comment? So I'm gonna teach you everything step by step. But before working on the meta tag, I'm gonna show you the usage of comment. I have already told you the usage of comment, but this time I'm gonna show you how you can uncomment that with the help of keyboard. So I select that and I press Ctrl and question mark sign. This is my uncomment. I already told you the usage of comment, multiple comment and single comment. If you want to uncomment all of the tags, you just select all of the tags and click press Ctrl question mark sign, save that, and everything is appear inside your browser. Right? So let's talk about the meta.html, and I'm gonna leave this one tab and write the basic structure of HTML5, and I'm gonna write the title. Title is also important for SEO purpose. For example, I'm gonna tell the Google this page is all about meta tags. Then Google will understand or find this one text behind the website, behind the page. This is our front end page, but behind this one page, Google robots will find the meta description. I'm gonna show you how you can use meta description. So how you can use a meta description? That's very simple. Behind inside the head section, this is the starting tag and this is the closing tag. Inside there you need to write the meta tag, but before the title tag you must be write the meta tags like this one. So after there I'm gonna use comment meta description. This, so I'm gonna use meta first. This is a single tag, you don't need to close that, you just need to write the meta, and you need to write the attribute name and assign the values description. Right? You write capitalize or small as you like. Then I'm going to write the content. This is another attribute, and inside there you will write anything else. Then Google will read this one text and Google will understand that this page is all about this way, or this page is all about meta tags. So I'm gonna use this is my meta tag page. So when you will upload this one page inside the server or online server or cPanel, then your site will arrive, but Google will find your site with the help of meta description, right? And Google will display this one text inside the search engine, right? The title will appear meta tags, and inside the title your text, this one text will be live. I'm gonna show you practically. I go to first, I'm gonna open with live server on this one. You can't see anything else inside the browser, but behind the browser I have a same thing like this one. I'm gonna show you. Right click it and go to view page source, and I'm gonna maximize that, and as you can see, meta name is description, this is the attribute, and this is the value of the attribute, and this is also attribute, and this is the value of the attribute. I'm gonna show you my personal website, inside my website have a same thing like this one. And also I'm gonna show you the website on search engine. So I open my site OnlineITtuts.com, and behind this one site I go to view page source, and I go to scroll down and find out meta description like this one, right? As you can see, meta, zoom out, zoom in, meta name is description content, it the largest hub of tutorials, web designing, something like that. If you open this one site, I go to Google and hit enter. As you can see, my meta description text has been appeared inside the search engine, and this is my title. So your site or your page like this one will appear inside the search engine same way. Inside the title will appear this one text, inside the description will appear this one text. I hope you understood as well all about the meta tag, right? Let's talk about the meta keywords. What is meta keyword? I write the same thing but I change the value keywords, and also I'm going to change the content. This is meta tag keyword, right? And close that. Also I close this way, right? You can't see this one on my, I resize them. You can't see this one text on my browser, but behind the browser have the same thing. Keywords. How you can use the keywords? Basically this is a local site, but inside my site I go to my search engine and I write the best PHP script. This is a call keyword, right? I'm gonna show you my site. This is my site. I open that, and behind this one page I'm gonna show you that thing is meta description is a very important. This is the optional keyword inside the local site. I go to below and I go to above and where is the meta, and find out meta. Meta property, right? As you can see, meta description name is the description, content is I have found top 20 best PHP script. This is my keyword. This keyword is appeared inside my meta description, and the same keyword is appeared inside my title tag. Then Google will easily understand that this page is all about best PHP scripts. Then the particular page will automatically rank on the search engine. But another important thing on the available inside the ranking factor, but you just need to know, right? So let's talk about the keywords. This is a call keyword. You can write any name as you want, but this is not important in search engine. You just need to write the meta description. It is very important. Let's talk about another meta. Do not index. What this mean? For example, if you want to upload this one site with live server or online server, then do you want to unindex them or uncrawl them? Means what I mean, that mean you tell the Google do not index this one page, right? Do not index this one page. So you need to write this one meta, name is robots. You tell the robots and assign the content no index, comma, no follow. Means Google will easily understand that we do not index this one page, right? After using this one tag inside the particular page, then Google will easily understand that this is not important for me, right? Google tell them this is not important for me. Why? Because you tell the Google do not index or do not add this one page inside your search engine, right? So this video is all about meta. I hope you understood as well. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about meta description. In this video we're gonna discuss all about the other important tags inside the HTML. So let's talk about. So first I'm gonna close this one and create a new file 04, and I'm gonna use basic underscore text. I do not make a space between the two text because this is not important or this is a not valuable name, right? So I use just a minute. I use basic syntax and I'm going to use basic HTML tags. So save that and right click it and open that in the live server, and my title has been appeared. And let's look at that, the heading tags. First I'm going to use a command and write the headings. There are more than 6 heading tags. So first of all you need to write less than sign h1 close, and then closing h1 tag has been appeared. Inside there you will write anything else, then the text, the particular text will appear inside the browser bigger. So let's see, heading 1 save. As you can see inside my browser the text has been appeared, but this is a large text. So you can use same way, but you need to change h1 to h2. So write the same way, h2 heading 2 save. This is the second one, large text. So I'm gonna copy that, paste. I need to change them, h3. First I'm gonna remove them, save. As you can see, but I need to change the text also. So let's see, this is third large text. So I'm gonna copy that, paste there. I just need to change the h3 to h4, and this is my h4. Save, right? So let's see, more than 2 another headings. h5 closing, h6, more than 6 heading tags inside the HTML5 tag, right? I'm gonna change the text h4 to h5, and this is my h6 save, right? So let's see the paragraph tag. So I'm gonna use command paragraph and use just P and press tab. Then starting and closing paragraph tag has been appeared. Inside there I'm gonna use dummy text. So I just use lorem and press tab. The bunch of text has been appeared inside my code editor, but I need to go on view and use word wrap. Then the complete text has been appeared inside my browser inside my code editor. So I'm going to save that, and as you can see in the right side inside the browser, the text has been appeared. So I want to strong or bold any text, I can do that. So how you can use that? You need to select the particular text. For example, I want to bold this one text. So before this one, you need to use strong tag and press tab sign. Inside there, you just need to cut that and paste on there. Save that, and the right side inside the browser have a text has been bold. Right? You can use same thing, but I'm gonna bold this area. You just save that. As you can see, many other text has been appeared inside the browser, but the text has been changed other than. So you can also use same thing like italic. So I use also another Lauren text, save, right? And I want to italic this one area, so I use em tag, right? So starting, and I'm gonna close this one there, save, and where there, as you can see, this is my italic text has been appeared. So another tag is available to delete the text, means display the cross line inside the text. So let's see. For example, I use del, and this is starting. I'm going to close that on there. So as you can see, the cross line has been appeared inside the text, right? So let's talk about the line break. For example, this is a complete text. I'm gonna maximize that. This is the complete text. I will write another text on there. I use a Lauren, save. The complete text has been appeared inside there, but I want to make a space between this section and also this section. This is a small space, but I want to make more than a space. So first I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to show you another thing is, and save inside the paragraph tag, as you can see. But I want to display this one text in the next line. So there are many ways. The first way is you just need to cut that and create another paragraph tag and paste on there, right? Now the next way is, I undo that. You just need to use the tag. Which tag? BR tag. Save, and the same thing has been appeared inside the browser without assigning the value inside the paragraph tag, right? As you can see, this is my text has been appeared in the next line. So but I use cut that, and this is a single quote, single tag, right? I don't need to use, I can use this multiple time. I can do that to make a bigger space, as you can see, right? So I rearrange that. So this is a call line break. The final one is horizontal line. For example, I want to display the line after this one text, so I just use, first I'm going to use horizontal line. I just need to use HR tag, save, and the line has been appeared inside my browser, as you can see, but you can't find them properly. I use another text, then you will able to see better then, right? This is my text and this is my horizontal line. So this video is all about basic HTML tags. In the next video we're gonna discuss all about links and images. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about basic HTML tags like heading tags, paragraph tag, strong, and many other tags. In this video, I'm going to teach you the links tag and also image tag. So I'm going to close this one file and create a new file, and I'm going to use the links-image.html. So I close that and write the basic structure of HTML file. Links and images. This is my title. Right click it and open with live server. So let's see the links. So first we're gonna discuss all about external links. What is external links? Means you want to redirect the user with another page from your page. This is a call external link. So let me tell you. For example, first you need to know how you can use anchor link. So first I'm gonna write the paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag you can also make a link without paragraph tag, but the best way you can use them inside the paragraph tag. Then the next link will appear automatically behind or after the first link. I'm going to show you. So I use a and press tab sign, then the complete tag has been appeared. This is the anchor link, this is the attribute, and inside there you will assign the value where you want to send the user. So first I'm gonna write https www.onlineITtuts.com. This is my path, and user will see this text. Once user see this one page or this one text, then user will click on that. Then user will able to see my site, like this one site. First save that and let's see. On the right side I have a browser, and I'm going to click on that. As you can see my site, right? This is a call external link. Another thing is I click on this one link, I can't see my particular page. I've redirected with another page. If you want to stay on your page but user will redirect with another page, so you need to use attribute. Which attribute? Let's see. I use paragraph tag, same thing, same website. But I use attribute is target and assign the value underscore blank. Right, save. But I also need to assign the text new tab. When user click on this one text, then user will able to see my site but another tab. Let's see. I refresh that. So this is my normal link, this is my new tab link. When I click on that, as you can see my site and my particular page is stable on the browser, right? This is a call new tab link, right? Means you need to write the target and assign the value underscore blank. Also I think have another attribute. Let's see this time is working or not. I'm gonna copy that, and I think is target. Target is no title. I think I use title. Title is new tab link. Save that. When I hover the mouse on the last one link, then you are able to see the title has been appeared, new tab link, as you can see. But another link you can't find the title because I have assigned the title attribute inside my third one link, right? Or you can use that google.com, and I'm going to use there Google, and also I'm going to use Google. So let's see Google. this is my title, and also have another tab link, https://google.com. okay, I used 2 times google.com. So close that, refresh that. Perfect. So this is a call external link. Let's talk about the internal link. So, internal links. What is the internal link? Means you will link this one page with your project page or another file which have inside the project. For example, I go to my page, inside my folder, inside my HTML5 folder have more than 5 pages, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you want to assign the link inside any page without the links and image, then this call is a external link. So let's see. I use paragraph tag and anchor. I need to use \sign, and I am able to see my pages. Which page you want to assign on this one link? For example, I'm going to use meta, and I assign the meta tag, and I close that. And the right side, in the right side on the browser have a link. When I click on that, I am able to see my meta tag page, but I change that to display the comment. So I change the page name, comment, save, back, click on that. Why? Just a minute. Comment.html. Right, but I need to change the text like comment. You can also assign the same thing inside the internal link, like target_blank. I also use wrap, and also I'm going to assign the title attribute local page. Save, go back, save again. So it save the page. This is my text has been changed, and this is our title is local page. When I click on that, I am able to see my another page with the name of comment. So I hope you understood as well all about the links. Let's talk about the images. How you can import the image from your computer or from your folder and into browser. So I have an image like this one. First you need to cut that or copy that and go to your folder and make another folder inside the project folder. Write the name. I'm gonna assign the name img and paste the image inside there. You need to change the name of the image. I use PC, right? You can write any name as you want. So the first thing, you need to include the image inside the browser. You need to write img, press tab. This is a call source. This is a call alternative. alt text means Google will understand that with the help of alt text, right? And this is a source where you want to get the image. So I have an image inside my image folder, and this file is available inside my same project. I'm going to show you. So this is a file inside my HTML5 folder, and the image folder available inside my same folder. So I just need to use img, my folder name, \sign, and the image has been appeared. I just select the particular image. That's it. Save, and right click it and open with live server. The particular image has been appeared, but I maximize that As you can see, the image size is too large, so we will manage that with the help of attribute. So let's see, we will assign the attribute. I also assign the PCIMG. This is not important for any project, but this is important for SEO, right? This is very important for SEO. Let's see, I want to decrease the width, so I use attribute and assign the value 200, and also I'm going to assign the height is 200. So as you can see, the image has been decreased, image size has been decreased, right? So this is a call image, how you can get the image from computer and display the image inside the browser. And I hope you understood as well all about the link and image. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video we're gonna discuss all about the list and tables. So let's create a file 06 and list underscore tables.html. So first of all, I'm going to write the basic syntax of HTML and write the title like list and table. So let's write the command unorder list, and also I'm going to open that in the live server. So first of all, I'm going to write the UL tag, means unorder, right? UL means unorder, right? And inside the UL starting and closing tag, I'm going to write li tag, means list item, right? And write the text item 1 li, item 2 li, item 3 li, item 4 and li item 5. Once you save that, then the unordered list has been appeared inside the browser. As you can see, bullets has been appeared. This is called unordered list. You can also use order list, but you need to change few things. So let's see, I use order lists, and I'm going to use all, means order list, and inside there I need to use same thing, li means list item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4 and li item 5. Save that, and as you can see, this is called order list, right? Let's see the nested lists. So I'm going to write command nested lists. So I use same thing, ul li means order list, and also list item 1 li item 2. Then I use again ul starting and closing inside the just a minute, I cut that. Inside the closing li tag I will write ul tag, and also again li tag, right? After closing the second li, second one item, I use ul starting and closing. Inside there I use again list item, so I use nested item 1 li nested item 2, and save that. As you can see in the right side, have a item 1, item 2, and this is my nested items inside the item 2, right? So after this one li, I use again li tag, and I call item 3, item 4, and finally item 5. Save that, as you can see, right? So let's talk about the table tag. Tables. First of all, you need to write the table tag, starting and closing table tag, and then you need to write t head, means table heading. Inside the table heading tag, you need to write tr, means table row. Inside the table row, you need to write th, means table heading. So let's see, I use th, first name, th, last name, th, email. Once you save that, you are able to see table has been appeared but without border. You will assign the border inside the table tag, then the border will appear inside the each section or each column. Let's see, I use border 1 pixel, right? In the right side have a border, first name inside the column, second column, third column, right? But I use Inline style, width is 200 pixel, and also I'm gonna use border 1 pixel solid black, right? So I think it should be display 1 pixel solid. I can't see. Okay, just a minute, I'm gonna check that. I cut that, save that, and I send the border on there. Style border 1 pixel solid. Basically this is a CSS based, so I just use my attribute is border 1 pixel, just like that. We will assign the border with the help of CSS. So this time you just need to know the basic HTML tags, right? So this is called tr, means table heading, th means table row, tr means table row, th means table heading. So after the closing th tag, so I'm gonna use t body, means table body. So I will assign the each column value inside my table body section. So I'm gonna use tr, same thing, but I change th to td, means table data. So I'm gonna use John, and I'm gonna use td do. First name is John, second one name is do, and third is email is admin@john.com. Save that, and let's see, refresh the page, as you can see. But I will assign the width on the table, style width 200 pixel. Okay, I'll leave the border this time because I am facing a problem on there. Style width, okay, I just changed that to 600 pixel. So 300 pixel. Right, John, first name is John, last name is Dow, and email is like this. I will assign this time border 1 pixel. Let's see, perfect, right? As you can see, so I decrease the size of the browser, and I'm gonna copy this same thing and just paste on there, and just change the second one name is Dina doll, and I'm gonna use Tina at dina.com. Save, and my table has been appeared on the browser. So this is a call table heading, and this is a call table data, and each section have a table row. This is a call complete table row. This is the second one row, and this is the third one row. I'm going to show you. As you can see, this is the first one row. Inside the first row have a table heading area. Now the second one table row have a table data, and third is also table data. You can also copy that and paste on there many times, then the next line will appear inside the browser, right? So I hope you understood as well all about the order and unordered list, and also I hope you understood as all about the table tags. So thank you. Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about the order and unordered list, and also we have discussed all about the table tags. I hope you understood as well. In this video we're gonna discuss all about the form and input fields, how you can create a form and how you can display the input fields like text boxes, radio buttons, check boxes, and many other things. So let's see. I close that and create a file. Number 7 forms.html. So first of all, I open that with live server and write the basic syntax of HTML and write the title like form, right? So first of all, I write the form tag. This is a starting and closing tag. This is the optional. This time you don't need to focus on that, because this is the another thing you need to know on later. This time you just leave that because it is not important to you, right? So but this time I just use hash sign right inside there, but you don't need to use that. You can also close that as you want. We just need to design the application or design the form, right? So just write form starting and closing form tag, and then I'm gonna write the div tag. We will discuss the div tag on later. This time you just need to know. Inside the div tag I use label tag, and this is the for attribute, and I'm gonna assign the value. You can assign any name as you want. In my case I use name. This is not important, so you just need to save that. You can't see anything else inside the browser, but this is a very important for server side language. You will assign the any name on there, then you will use them to get the data, but this time you don't need to focus on that. So inside the label tag I will assign the any text, then the particular text will appear inside the browser. So I save that. Just a minute. As you can see in the right side, our text has been appeared like name, but I will assign the input field. I want to get the data, or I want to display the input field. So after the label closing tag I'm gonna use input type text, means I want to get the text. So you need to write the type is text, and I'm gonna assign the value inside the input text field. I want to display the value John. First save that, and inside the input text field have a value like John. If you leave that, then the text has been appeared, the input text field has been appeared inside the browser without value. But this time I'm going to use value John. So I want to create another input text field. So first I'm going to write the comment text, and I'm going to get the email. So I use same thing, div, and same thing, label for email, and I'm going to use email input type text. You need to change that to text to email. You will get the email. So save that, and you will get the email inside the second one column or second one input text field. You don't need to get the text inside there. You will get the text, then this input text will display the error message. So you need to write the type email, then you will get the email from the second input text field, right? So let's see another attribute. I want to display the dummy text inside my second input text field. So I use placeholder and use enter and email. So as you can see, this is my dummy text inside my second input text field. When I click on that, I'm able to write anything else. Admin OnlineITtuts.com. That's it. I remove that, then I'm able to see my dummy text has been appeared. So let's see the text area. Comment, I use text area div. So first of all, you need to write the same thing, label, and I'm going to use MSG and message. I also make a space between a first input text field and second, so I'm going to use br tag. Just a minute, and I'm going to copy that, paste on there. Just a minute, I'm going to first name, second name, right? So text area, right? So I use br tag to make a space after the message tag. So I'm going to use text area and press tab button. Then I'm able to see many other options like name. Name is not important to you. It is important for getting value from server-side language. And ID is not important to you because you need to know the basic knowledge of HTML. It is important to getting or designing the text area with the help of CSS. Then you need to assign the ID. So I don't need that. And this is important, 30 columns 30 and row is 10. First I'm going to save that, then my text area has been appeared inside the browser. When you change the value, like I use 50, and the area, text area has been changed, right? So this is a call text area, right? Let's talk about the select area or select box. I use select, same thing, I use same thing, label, and I'm going to use sex, and I use br tag. No, I'm going to use, I leave that. I use select and press tab button. I am able to see same thing, name, ID. It is not important this time, but it is important on there. After the starting and closing select tag, you need to write the options. Inside the value, you will write any name as you want, but this is not important this time. I just use dummy text. I use male. You can't see anything else on there, as you can see. This is my sex and this is my drop down menu. but you will write anything else behind inside the starting and closing tag on option, so the particular text will appear. So as you can see, male, I'm going to copy that, paste on there. I'm going to use female, so right, but I want to also display first one is option. I use select. You can write any name as you want on there, this is not important. And I'm going to use select gender or select sex, and I change the value. So select the sex, male or female, and also other. So I'm going to use other. So save that, and let's see, male, female, other, right? So this is a called select box. Those all the things appeared inside the form tag. As you can see, my closing form tag, inside they have all text, all code inside the form tag. You can't see the particular text outside of the form tag, right? Let's see the number tag. So I'm going to use number, I use div form label, and I'm going to use h, and I use br tag, and then I'm going to use input type. I just need to change type to text to number, then the number will appear inside my browser. First save that, and as you can see, I'm able to use numbers, right? So let's see date. I just need to use same thing, label for date, and I'm gonna use PR. Input type, I just use to date, type is date. So as you can see, so let's see, the next is radio button. So I use radio button. So first I'm going to use div, and label I'm going to use the courses, which course I use HTML5, and I use input text field. Type is a radio. You need to change the type text to radio, and I'm going to use value is HTML5, right? First save that, and let's see. This is my value and this is the radio button, right? But I want to change or assign another value, so paste that, and I'm going to use CSS3. Just a minute, I need to use same thing like this way, label CSS3, and I'm going to use that down there, CSS3. As you can see, this is the HTML radio button, this is CSS radio button, right? I think something is wrong on there. Input type radio name. Okay. Why I seen two radio buttons have been appeared, I mean checked, because we need to assign that a name. We need to assign the same name on each radio button. So I'm going to use courses. So copy that and paste on the second one, radio button. Save that, and I'm going to select anyone as you want. So you just need to change the value, but you need to assign the same names like courses to courses. If you change the courses to course, then the radio button doesn't work properly, as you can see. So keep in mind. So let's talk about the one more thing I'm going to show you. This is a default data, but I want to display the checkbox. Means anyone user will open this one site or this one page, I want to select the HTML5 radio button. So you need to write the attribute like checked. Save that. As you can see, the default HTML5 is checked now. When I refresh the page, the default HTML5 is checked, right? So let's see the checkbox. So I use checkbox, and I use same way label and for courses I use membership, and I like that. So I use input text field, and I need to change type text to checkbox, and you need to use same names on each input field, because someone user will check the checkboxes. So I will assign the value is, first I'm going to use the car, and I'm going to assign the value car, copy, paste. I just change the value car and bike and jet. So let's see. I like that. What? Car, bike, jet, right? So finally we will discuss all about the button tag. So I'm going to use input submit or button. So I use same thing but without div. Input text type, input type is a submit. You are able to see the button has been appeared, but the default text has been appeared inside the button is a submit. But I want to change that, so I use value is a save. As you can see, you can also make a button with the help of button tag. So I use button tag. Inside there I'm gonna write the reload, right? The second one button has been appeared, but I need to also assign the type on there. Type is submit, right? You can't see the changing inside the button, second one button, right? So finally I comment out. I can also use button type is reload, and I use type is reset, like this one. Same thing you will able to see on there. So this video is too long. I think this is a very long video during this one course, but this is all about very important to you understand that how you can make a form. Inside the form, how you can manage the complete fields like input text field, text areas, and many other things. So I hope you are understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we're gonna discuss all about HTML block and inline elements. I have opened the website with the name of w3schools.com. Inside there we're gonna discuss all about HTML block and elements. Basically every HTML elements has a default display value depending on what type of element it is. There are two display values like block and inline. Block level elements are displayed in the next line. For example, you will write the span tag, paragraph tag. Inside the paragraph tag you will write the some text. Then you will write again paragraph tag. Inside the next paragraph tag you will write some text. Then the next text will appear in the next line or new line. As you can see, a block level elements always start on a new line. First we're gonna discuss all about the block level elements. So I go to below. Inside there have a bunch of block level elements. You can use them to display the content in the next line. Let me explain you all about that. I go to my code editor. First we're gonna discuss all about paragraph tag. This is a block level elements. I'm gonna write that some dummy text, save that, resize the browser, open the our file. As you can see, this is my simple text inside paragraph tag, but I will use again paragraph tag and also some text. Then the next text has been appeared inside the next line. First I'm gonna save that. As you can see, if I will remove I'll leave only one text, but the one text or one words will appear in the next line. Why? Because I have used paragraph tag, right? As you can see. So this is called block level elements, and also have many other block level elements like table, UL. We have discussed all about the UL table tag. So we're gonna discuss all about the another tags on later. This time you just need to know what is block level elements and inline elements. So let's see, I will use pre-tag. So I'm gonna use pre-tag and some dummy text. So let's see, this is my pre-text, right? This is a large text, so I'll remove this some. So I think I need to also, so this is my pre-tag, right? I copy that and paste on there again. As you can see, the next tag value has been appeared in the next line. So you can also use the UL tag, li tag, and item 1. This is also item 2, item 3. I'm going to change that to 3. So let's see. So this is called block level elements. Let's see the inline elements. What this means you will write the tag. Inside the tag you will write the text. When you will write the many tag inside the code editor, then the particular text will appear in the same line, not a next line, right? So let's see, I copy that and write the comment, and I use inline elements, paste there. So let's see on the browser. As you can see, hello world. I again use this pen tag, and I'm going to use next span tag. So as you can see, first tag value, second tag value in the same line. This is called inline elements, and also have a many inline elements like button tag. So first I'm going to use button and cell. Type is submit, or you can use button. First I'm going to save that in the same line, right? But I also copy and paste and change the type, submit, delete, and the same line, right? So this is a very simple way to understand that the block level elements and inline elements. Furthermore, you can learn many other tags from the W3 Total School, and also have many ideas on there. You will learn different tags inside here. I have explained you more than mostly useful HTML tags, and mostly users will using that to create a website. I will teach you on later more than another important tags, but you just need to follow on my tags. If you're interested to learn more tags, more HTML levels, you need to visit on W3 Total School. Inside they have a bunch of knowledge. You can get the idea from them, right? So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to discuss all about ID and class attribute inside the HTML. Why we are using ID and class? Because we will design the particular section or website, web application with the help of CSS, but we need to assign the class and also ID. You can choose anyone as you want. Then you will target the particular class or ID. You can use them to design the particular section or website with the help of CSS. So you must be right the class name and also ID. You can choose anyone as you want. I'm going to show you the practical example of the ID and class. So first of all, we will discuss all about the class. So first I'm going to write the div, and I write the class city, right? And I'm going to use h2. I'm going to call London. Paragraph tag, London is the capital of England. Right? The text has been appeared inside my browser. So I will create another sections, but I leave the classes. I just assign the divs, and I'm gonna change the content like Paris is capital of France, and Tokyo is capital of Japan. So once I assign the class inside the one section, then I am able to access this one class to design this one section, right, with the help of CSS. So let's see. I use style tag. Don't focus on the styling, you just focus on the HTML class attribute and also ID, but this time we need to know class. So I'm going to target the city. So what I can do, I need to write the dot, means I target the class. Which class? City class. And then I'm able to access this one to assigning designing the section. Like I'm able to change the background color like blue. I'm able to change the font color like white. I'm able to change anything else. So I'm gonna use padding 20 pixel, and also I'm gonna use, I'll leave the margin, I just use text align center. Save that, and as you can see, this is a section. Inside the section have a class with the name of city. I have targeted this one class to design this section, but I want to assign the same designing with another section like Paris. So I need to assign the same class like this one. Then the particular designing will apply in the next section with the help of CSS. So I'm going to save that, as you can see, but I will also assign the margin 20 pixel, right? This is my second section. If you will assign the same name, same class name with the third section, you can do that. City, right? But in ID you can't do that. Let me explain you the difference between the ID and also class. First I'm going to show you the difference between class and ID. A class name can be used multiple HTML elements. I am able to assign the multiple classes on each section like this one. This one is a section, another section, another section. While an ID name must only be used by one HTML element within the page. Means this is a complete page. I am able to assign the one ID inside this one section, right? This is a call ID, and this is the difference between ID and class. Let me explain you. If I will assign the ID, right, and I'm gonna use United States. I use New York. New York State of USA. I just use that. So I'll leave this one to comment, right? So if you want to assign the design inside the New York section or New York text, then you need to assign the ID. You need to change the section like this one. This is a call class designing, but I want to assign the ID. I need to use hash sign, means I target the ID, and you need to write the ID name like this one, same name. You can do that. So first save that. Everything is perfect right now on the browser. So I hope you understood as well all about the class and ID, how you can use them and how you can manage them. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the div. Basically div is used to design the structure, website structure. You can use them to manage your site areas with the help of divs. So let me explain you practically. So first of all, I will write the comment, and I'm gonna write the main header. This is my comment. I will write the div, and I will assign the ID like main header, right? Then no, I'm gonna assign the class main header. Inside there I'm gonna write the heading my website, a site about me, save, Okay, perfect. I opened that in the live server. So this is my main header area. I have used div, but I want to assign the another section. I can do that with the help of div, right? So inside this section I will manage another things, like I want to make a navigation, I want to display the some details inside the header section. So what I can do, I press enter and I'm gonna use UL tag and li anchor demi link, and this is my home, copy paste 3 times, about, and this is contact. So save, right? This is my just a demi website structure. I just tell you the usage of div, right? So now the next thing I'm gonna do on there, I will assign the ID inside the UL tag. You can assign the ID or class as you want. So I'm gonna use main nav. I will use them to design the particular section with the help of ID or class. So let's check out the third section. For example, I will make another section inside this one area. So I will write the div again inside my main header div. So I will use h3 about, and I'm going to use lorem demi text. So right, and I will assign the ID about, or I will assign the class cart, right? So let's see, I will create this is my complete main header area, right? And this is my, I will write the command, you will understand better than. So this is navigation area, and this is my about section, right? The all details or all data has been appeared inside my main div. This is my main div. I collapse them and uncollapse them, then you are able to see everything grep on the main header area, right? So let's see, I will create another div to outside of the main header area. I will write div, I will assign the class card h3 h3. So I will use class card, and I use contact me. I will use UL tag, li tag, and I'm going to use my address 50 not 80 Main Street, Boston. This is my phone number, and right, and this is my email. .com. First save that and let's look at that inside the browser. This is my first section, this is my complete first section, and this is my next section, right? So finally I will write another div and assign the ID footer. I'm going to use p copy write and copy 2022. Save that and let's see. Let's design these some content. So I use style and I target the first. I'm going to target the card, and I'm going to use border 1 pixel solid, and this is a gray color, so this one area, and background color is hash F4 F4 F4, right? And I will assign the padding all of the sides 20 pixel, right? And I will use margin bottom 10 pixel. So this is a very simple way to assign the classes and assign the ID inside the divs, and you can use them to design that. So let's see our website looks like this one. So you can use divs to manage the website structure or assign the section with the help of divs. So we will understand that on later with the help of we will learn them with the help of CSS to design the complete website with the help of HTML and CSS. We will use them. We will use divs to design the website structure or a complete website. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. Basically I have designed a simple web page with the help of HTML and CSS. Inside the code editor have a bunch of code, but we will change them with HTML5 semantic tags. Let me explain you. I go to my code editor, and first I'm gonna maximize that, and as you can see, this is the header section. I have assigned the div ID and also card class, but this is a section of the header. I have assigned the div. Now the next section is main content. Inside the main content have a sub content like welcome our website. This is a sub content, this is a blog section, and many other things on there. And now that this is a sidebar section, each section have a divs, but we will change them to semantic HTML5 tags. Let me explain you. So first, this is a call header section, so I need to change that to header. This is a HTML5 semantic tag, right? Then the next thing is section, right? This is a section area, so I need to use section. This is also semantic tag. Then this is also blog section, so I will assign the section tag also on there, right? And this is the article section, right? So I'm able to assign the article tag inside this one section, right? And I also change that to article, right? So this is a complete section, but this is a div, main div, so I think I will assign the main tag. Save that and let's see. Yes, so we have changed few things inside the div to semantic tag. The first one is a header tag, second one is a main tag. This is a HTML based semantic tags. The section tag, article tag, I think everything is on there. Let's change another section like a sidebar section. So in the sidebar section, this is a div, closing div, starting div. I need to use a side tag. This is a starting, this is a closing, right? And this is a navigation bar, and this is a UL tag. So I cut that and I'm going to use nav tag and paste on the complete UL tag inside the navigation tag, right? So I think everything is perfect on there. The final one is footer tag. So I just changed to footer. So our website is a similar like this one, but I have changed divs to HTML5 semantic tags. So I hope you are understood as well all about the semantic tag. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to discuss all about entities. What is entities? Let me explain you. First of all, I resize the code editor, and first I'm going to use hello my website name is OnlineITtuts.com. First I'm going to save that, and my text has been appeared inside the browser, but I want to make a space between my site and also this one text. If I make a space or press the space button inside this one area and press save, you can't see changing on the browser. Why? Because the browser not support space on the code editor. You need to assign the entities. Let me explain you. I cut that and I want to make a space, so I use and NBSP and semicolon. Save. You will able to see a space between OnlineITtuts.com and also is. If I want to make another space, I will use same thing many times. I can do that. Paste, right? So let's talk about the another thing. I'm going to use paragraph, and I'm going to use 5, and I want to display the greater than sign inside the browser. So what I can do, I need to use and GT greater than 2, right? You can use same thing to do that with the help of this way, hash 62, right? So let's see another way. I use 1 less than 2. So I'm going to use this way, and LT2. You can use this way also, and hash 60, right? Let's talk about the copyright. I want to display the copyright sign, so I use and copy. You can use register to display the R sign. Let's talk about the currency. I want to display the cent, so I use and CNT, right? I want to display the pound, right? I'm able to display the yen and also euro. Right? Yen, euro. So let's display the computer code. I'm gonna use code tag and I'm gonna use end lt terminator, and I want to display I want to display the PHP tag hello and GT. Let's see. As you can see, this is the PHP starting tag, PHP closing tag, this is the echo statement, and this is our text. So this is all about HTML. So inside the course I have explained you all about the important knowledge that will help you to design or understand the tags. Furthermore, you can visit the W3 school on w3school.com and write the HTML tutorial. Then you will follow on this one section, for example HTML tutorial, and you are able to see basic structure, what is H1, H2. If you face any problem during my course, you can visit on this one site and you will understand better then. So the next course I will create a CSS. If you following on my this one course, then you need to wait more than 10 days to 20 days. I will create another CSS course, and also I will create a JavaScript course, React course. I will follow on the series step by step. So before moving on any other course, you must be learn the HTML basic language. Once you learn that, then you will jump on the CSS. I will teach you everything step by step. If you are beginner, so you must be follow on this one course and practice on that, and spend more than time on that, and more than I think 7 to 10 days you need to practice on HTML. Once you understand that, then you will jump on the CSS. So I hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.